Digitalization of electricity grids, smart metering and energy monitoring in Pakistan, presented by engineer Wahaj Faisal. Meet our expert, Engineer Wahaj Faisal, Senior Project Manager Industry Engineering, Karachi, Pakistan. Expertise: Industrial Engineering, Smart Engineering Systems, Grid Solutions. Experience: over a decade of experience with 20 journal publications. Pakistan's electricity grid overview. Pakistan's energy infrastructure relies on a vast network managed by distribution companies, DISCOs, under NEPRA regulations. 1 medium voltage, 132 kV to 11 kV. Serves industrial, commercial, and large consumers, MW range. 2 low voltage, 400 volts or single phase, for large loads and residential consumers, kW range. Grids primarily operate in radial topologies, with electricity flowing in a single direction. Challenges in modern power grids: decentralized systems. The increased integration of renewable energy sources makes pinpointing faults difficult. Limited real-time data hinders decision-making, leading to prolonged outages and inefficiencies. Grid complexity. A growing number of devices and elements adds challenges to monitoring and control. High cost of expansion, reliance on costly infrastructure upgrades instead of flexible solutions. The smart grid, a digitalized future. A smart grid integrates digital technologies, automation, and real-time data analytics to enhance efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. Advanced metering infrastructure, AMI, real-time monitoring, automated readings, two-way communication. IoT or AI integration, predictive maintenance, fault detection, and load management. Renewable energy integration managed through smart demand response mechanisms. Energy storage systems, demand balancing, peak sharing, uninterrupted supply. EV integration, vehicle to grid solutions, smart charging stations. Cybersecurity or data protection, secure protocols, blockchain-based energy trading. Global smart grid adoption or Pakistan's progress. The global smart electricity meter market has a 43% penetration rate, with China 90%, the US 75%, and the EU 80% leading. Global investment exceeds $300 billion in smart grid technology, reducing T&D losses by 10-15%. Pakistan's AMI deployment, supported by ADB and the World Bank, millions of smart meters expected by 2030 in urban centers. 0%, 0.3%, 0.6%, 0.9%. China, United States, European Union, South Asia. Pakistan's energy sector, challenges or policies. Pakistan faces critical energy challenges despite its high installed capacity. High T&D losses. An estimated 17-19% due to outdated infrastructure, inefficiencies, and theft. Aging infrastructure, urgent investment needed for upgrades and new projects. ADB. Structural inefficiencies, poor planning and subsidies lead to fiscal deficits, circular debt. Policies like energy wheeling, EWP, energy import, and net metering, NMP, aim to address these issues.